Welcome back to the Stoichiometry problem series. In this lesson, we are going to convert the gram information of a reactant to the volume information of the product. For this, we are going to use the mole island concept, which helps us to convert the gram information of any reactant to the volume information of a product. So first we need to write down the equation. From balanced equation we are getting the first set of information that 2 mole of ammonium nitrate, when it undergoes the chemical decomposition reaction, it produces 2 mole of nitrous oxide and 4 moles of water molecule. The second set of information we are getting from the word problem, that is 155 gram of ammonium nitrate is used in this reaction, but we don't have the volume information of the product. We need to find out the volume information of nitrous oxide. So we see that the gram information of ammonium nitrate is given. We need to convert it into the mole information. So for this we need to apply the mole island concept. From this diagram it is very clear that if we have the mole information of any substance, we can derive the gram information of that substance or number of particle or the volume information. In this case we have the information which is gram information available for ammonium nitrate. By dividing with its molecular weight of ammonium nitrate, we can easily get the mole information of ammonium nitrate. And once we have the mole information of ammonium nitrate, we can easily calculate the product information, that is nitrous oxide in mole. But we need the volume information. But applying this conversion, we can easily get the volume information of product formed. So it seems that it is going to be a multi-step process, but we are going to find out the solution in a single step using bridge technique. So to apply the bridge technique, we are going to use the given and find format to plug in the information very easily and find the final product information. So let's start. The given information we are going to apply is the information that is available from the word problem. Now, as I mentioned before, the gram information needs to be converted to mole information. 1 mole of ammonium nitrate correspond to its molecular weight, which is 80.04 gram of ammonium nitrate. And from the balanced equation, we are getting the information that 2 mole of ammonium nitrate produces 2 mole of nitrous oxide. But we need the volume information. So we need to convert again, and we already know that 1 mole of nitrous oxide corresponds to 22.4 liter of Now you see that given information has been plugged in, converted to the mole information, and we already fed the mole to mole ratio information between reactant and product in the third step, and fourth step we have again converted to mole to volume. Here the find information is always in the numerator. So if we follow this format, we can easily find the solution. Again, by plugging the necessary information in this manner, we have already used the unit matching. If we look at closely, see the gram information of ammonium nitrate getting cancelled out. So is the mole information of ammonium nitrate and mole information of nitrous oxide, leaving the liter information of nitrous oxide. So if we now calculate the final answer, which is 43.4 liter of nitrous oxide is produced. So by combining these three approaches, mole island approach, given and find format, we plug in all the information in the bridge technique to get the desired result. So I repeat how we have plug in all the information. First the given gram information, and then we converted the gram to mole information. We plug in the mole information from balanced equation, and then converted the mole information of product to volume information. I hope now everything is clear to you. If you have any question, just let me know. I would answer it in my next video. Till then, bye.